Hey friends, we're out here in the new garage space because we're going to be testing a brand new tool. Now I recently swapped over all of my older tools to new DeWalt tools. I've really been enjoying them, but they're also very expensive, and so this has to be kind of an incremental process. I recently picked up this normal drill. This is a brushless drill made by DeWalt. It's 20 volt. And then I got this. Now this is super interesting. We're gonna take a closer look because this looks like a DeWalt. It acts like a DeWalt tool, but it's not. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, so as I get closer to these two tools, you're going to start immediately seeing the difference in the branding. Now this is, I don't even know how to say the name. You can tell this is definitely a Chinese product. It can be found and purchased right on Amazon. And this thing is like almost half, if not less than half, the price of a normal impact that you buy if you're going to purchase DeWalt at full price. This thing actually is made to use DeWalt batteries. So you can just slide these into this brand and everything works perfectly. Now, obviously, we're going to test this out. We're going to see if it has the power that DeWalt does. I mean, honestly, it feels like this thing is built exactly the same. In fact, the way that things are designed, maybe this is black, this right here is kind of a clear. It really does look like on a wider angle that this is a DeWalt product. Except look at this, there's a really interesting little feature down here. This may not be needed, but DeWalt definitely didn't add it. It's an extra way of checking your battery. Watch this, if I pull the trigger, you can see we have the battery charge right here up front. You also obviously have that on the battery back here on DeWalt products, but it's nice being able to see it up here. We also have the impact rating here that is being used, and that can be switched using this little button down here. Again, just like DeWalt products, we pull this little sheath out, stick our bit in the end, pull that back, and that is secure. I will say, this motor does sound a little bit louder than this brushless motor over here. So that's going to be a slight negative. Now, obviously, the biggest question we have is this going to have enough power like DeWalt tools to get the job done? I've got a 2-inch screw here. We're going to push it into this board to test the power. This is not pre-drilled. So let's go ahead and give it a go. Oh my gosh. That did the job like it was butter. Seriously, that thing made it look easy. Okay, so is it a good tool? For the normal DIYer, this thing actually is really good and it fits my DeWalt battery package. Okay, now here's the downside though. This feels like a knockoff. It feels like they went in and intentionally copied DeWalt, even down to the color scheme and everything. And I don't really love that. I don't love that they didn't try to build their own brand. I also understand it. They want to go off of all of the brand marketing that DeWalt has for those people out there that want an option that costs less. So again, I get it. Would I recommend this? I'm only going to recommend this if you don't have a problem, again, with that branding issue, and if you need a cheap tool because your budget is very, very low. Again, I really don't want DIYers to miss out on really good opportunities to have tools that actually work because their budget is too small. So if you can afford it, definitely get DeWalt, friends. You won't be disappointed. You really will like these products. If, again, you need something that's going to work, that's going to help out your life and make it easier at home, and your budget is, again, minimal, this thing actually works really good for about half the price, even less than half the price of what you get the same DeWalt product for. So there you go. That's my honest review. If you're interested in grabbing one of these for yourself, you can actually find it right here on Amazon. In fact, we'll put some links in the description box below where you can pick it up. And then subscribe because we do a ton of videos like this where we check out tools, we do DIY projects, again, to help make your life hopefully just a little bit easier. Thanks for watching, friends. We'll see you again on the next one.